There was a huge rally on January 13. I think you know about that rally. I am part of that rally because I was one of the speakers. I spoke for about 1 hour. January 14 or the next day, it was supposed to be reported by the broadsheets, by Philippine Inquirer. Yung slogan niya. Yung slogan, Balanced News, Fearless News. What the hell? I was not there. I was not even mentioned. It is as if I did not exist. There were 3 reporters who wrote that report. Andun ang pangalan because I kept that particular publication. With all due respect, ma'am. Philippine Star. What was the slogan? Truth shall prevail. And there were 8 reporters who reported that particular incident. 8. So 8 plus 3, 11 reporters. Nobody saw me in the rally. Nobody heard me. Why? It is as if I did not exist. The Senate President who was not there, na nagbigay lang ng konting text message, he earned 8 paragraphs. That report. And several politicians who were there were not invited, but they happened to be there. All their names were mentioned. But the guy who spoke for at least an hour and provided the context of that rally, I was not there.